Yeah, hi. Today's video is all about a company called ViewFruit, and we're going to be doing a full ViewFruit review, and we're going to be checking out whether it is worth your time, and also how you can actually go and earn money with ViewFruit. So let's jump over to the desktop and go through full ViewFruit review. Okay, so we've come across to viewfruit.com, and as you can see here, we're on the UK site because obviously it brings up the UK site when I search for it because I'm obviously in the UK. And it's actually been around ViewFruit for quite a few years. It's about 10 years it's actually been around, so it's been going for a long time. So it's a well-trusted website that you can obviously go and do surveys, etc., to actually get paid. Now we're going to go into the back of ViewFruit very shortly, but I just want to go over a few things first before we do that. Okay, so like I say, it's been around for a few years, and it's mainly, and it actually is available in I think about 30 odd countries. So it's not available everywhere. So it's not a worldwide opportunity. This, guys, we're going to go more into that very shortly. We're going to tell you more where it's more predominantly readily available. So stay tuned right for that very shortly. Now there are obviously various different things you can obviously do with fruit. ViewFruit, and it's very easy to go and register. Free to register, so you just come on to obviously your the website and click on register. It's as simple as that. You obviously have to agree their privacy policy, which obviously we can agree there. And then all you've got to do is literally fill in your email, a password, confirm the password, and a verification just to make sure you're human. And obviously accept the privacy policy which is there. And then just click on register, and you'll get your normal email through to verify that you are obviously a verified customer. Get your account verification. Then you would fill in some more information, because obviously with the survey sites, the more information they've got, they can then obviously put surveys that are going to be associated with your actual profile. So you're more likely to be able to go and take the survey and then obviously get points which you can then turn into cash. And then obviously you are complete and ready to go. Let's just dive actually into ViewFruit and find out exactly what it's all about. Okay, so we're inside my account on ViewFruit here, and as you can see here, I've got 111 points so far. You can see obviously going through the top there's this banner about inviting friends, and this is a way here which says refer friends. You can obviously go and earn a little bit more cash, and you can earn up to 10% of their earnings once you actually invite friends. So that's a great way of obviously boosting your points. Now, if you come down here, you've obviously got, this is the home page, so you've got survey here. So you can go on to survey, and then you've got V survey. So if you come into V survey, now I've got a couple of surveys here that are available. That's one thing I have noticed obviously in the UK, and you will find this in different parts of the country, different parts of the world, that there will be more surveys in some areas than there are in others. Okay, the UK doesn't look like there's an awful lot of surveys, so you might find and struggle a little bit to actually hit that withdrawal amount to actually withdraw any money. It might take you a little while, but like I say, I've got 400 points I could quite easily do if I'm accepted for both of these surveys. So a couple of other things they've got in here as well. You've got VVote as well, and this is where you can actually take part in voting up people's questions. So like here, do you wear jeans? This for argument's sake. Now, this isn't actually going to get you any points. All it does is obviously just get you interacting with people on the site. So it doesn't really get you any points. So in my view, is it worth doing? Well, if you want to get more involved in the site, then possibly. But other than that, no, probably not. Now, the one thing is quite good. You can actually create what they call a My V group. Okay, so you can actually create your group here, and then obviously people will join your group, and you can actually then message people within the group. So that part is actually quite good and not something I've seen on any of these survey sites before. So that could be a good way to obviously communicate with people, and maybe even to get them into other money making opportunities that you may have as well. But just beware and make sure you obviously read the terms of service, because obviously if you do promote other stuff, it could get you banned. So make sure you read exactly what you're allowed to obviously post within your groups. Like I say, you've got refer friends here. And if you click on that, then there's a few ways you can obviously refer friends. They do give you a link here, or a bit of coding you can put in a link, and it says to send it to your friends through MSN and other websites. So it's a little bit outdated as well, but there's probably a reason for that, and I'll probably tell you that very shortly. And you can also email people, send invitations to people by putting an email in here and then sending an invitation. Now, the reason why they obviously are looking at doing it through MSN and the way that ViewFruit is actually set up, it's actually set up to be more participants from Asia, okay? So it's not really in Europe or in the Americas, although some of those countries are accepted, such as the UK and USA, Canada, those are all accepted. It's really designed to be more of a community in the Asian community, and of course by having MSN they probably still have that over there, and I know that they don't have a lot of the other some of the other social media sites. Then they're not very big on online stuff, so that's possibly why they have still go through things like MSN. So having had a quick look round on ViewFruit, it doesn't hold so many opportunities as some of these normal websites that I've reviewed before. But that said, obviously it does pay out. It's been around for about 10 years now, and it's been going strong. And like I say, it's possibly more for the Asian community than it is probably based for the European and American community. But of course, there are loads of different survey sites that you can obviously use if ViewFruit is not eligible in your country, or you find that you're not going to get too many surveys in those countries. And make sure you check out the video I'll link to at the end of this on my end screen. That will give you a whole list of different survey sites that are all paying out, that you can go and choose some of those if you wish. But certainly check out ViewFruit. It could be one of those ones that is obviously really good in your particular country, and then not a lot of people are actually using it. So a lot of the surveys in that, you can go in there and could make quite a bit of money. Now, once you've obviously got so many points in your account, you can obviously go and redeem these points for cash, okay? And it says here you've got 5,000 points is the smallest amount, which equates to £5. So that's to 5,000 points. So if you click on this, at the moment it just says that sorry, your points are not enough for this exchange, okay? And then it pulls you back to the main page. So you are going to have to obviously get up to 5,000 points before you can actually pull out, okay? So you could take, like I say, a while to actually reach that threshold. But certainly check out ViewFruit in your country, and let us know in the comments below. Is it good in your country? Are you getting money out? Is it earning you a few bucks every month? Maybe it hasn't. Maybe it's a bit of a time waster in your country, and you've obviously had to go elsewhere. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.